Hey, can I at least get a thumbs up for making it to 4,500 subscribers?
Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks or fire you desire. My rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, you never miss. No bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they count. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, Joe? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, I have a box right here in my lap. It's big as hell for no reason. This box has been sitting in this room for almost 2 months to the day. I ordered these sneakers on May 31st. Have never cracked into them. But before we do crack into this box, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the channel and join the movement. I can't stop laughing, man. I can't believe that this box has literally been sitting right here next to me for 2 months. But all I ask is that you hit the notification bell so you are aware whenever I do upload videos. We just crossed the 4,500 subscriber threshold, man. So we're on the road to 5K. So I'm excited about that. My previous trajectory was way past 5,000 by this point, but I took some time off, man. Sometime, it's more important to take some time to yourself than me continuing to sit in front of the camera and just push out content just because. So I needed that time away and I took it. So I have to look at it like, I understand, hey, the growth stopped, but it is what it is, man. Like, I'm thankful for the 4,500 that I have now, man. That really means a lot. So anyway, let's get into this box. I don't know if sitting here for 2 months and not opening them means more that I probably don't want or nor need this sneaker if I didn't even open it to look at it, to see if I like it, to see if I dislike it. But I think it says a lot. Now I ordered these on, obviously, release date on the 31st from Nordstrom's. Receipt right here. Now, I've never been, well, I ain't gonna say never, but I was always skeptical about this silhouette. Let me get all this out of the way. The box is humongous. And I always wanted to at least see it in hand before I gave it a complete thumbs down. Then I seen it in JD Sports in person before these obviously arrived, because I'd already placed the order, and I actually liked the pair that I seen in store. Now that pair I seen in store was probably like at size 8.5. These are obviously my size. These are an 11. I'll show you the box. It'll just tell you what it is. I'm probably gonna have it in the thumbnail anyway, so why is that not? Oh, it's focusing on the face up there. There we go. So you can read that. For anybody that needs, if you've bought some from aftermarket and you're a little worried about if you're real or fake, that's what it looked like, at least from Nordstrom's. Unless they selling me fakes. Now these are size 11 Yeezy Boost 380. Now this is obviously the 380. It says Alibla, which is short for alien blue. And per the usual on all Yeezys, he just triples up the colorway on the size label instead of telling you every actual color that's in it. That's what he does. So like I said, I have seen these in hand, but it was just a quick glimpse in store on the rack. They were sitting in the store. They only had it was like 2 pairs left, but they did have some still sitting there that next day. Slide out box, nothing inside. Just your tan paper that these are wrapped in. Bunch of noise for the camera to annoy you. Do come with spare laces. So I'm assuming these are infinity laced. Yes. So these come infinity laced, but they do have a spare lace that is the same exact color, but the traditional lacing. Take these out of the box. Get that out of the way. Now, these are the Yeezy 380 Alien Blue. Now, most people, including myself, have always been really skeptical about this silhouette. Hopefully the lighting is okay and it doesn't wash out and it's able to focus. But as you can see, I like this colorway. I really, really like this colorway. I think a lot of people like the colorway, but what really threw people off is that snot green plasticky material on the side. If it was just this like white and tonal gray type color with the blue midsole, I think people would have really went crazy for these. But for whatever reason, this is on there and it throws people off. It is what it is. It's not bad to me, in my opinion. I think one of the biggest, and I'm not even the biggest 3M or reflective material and all that type person, but I do think that added a little something to this. The fact that if you shine a flash on this, that I'll probably put a little B-roll in if I can, or if I feel like it. It does have all reflective material throughout this sneaker. A lot of time Yeezy will have two different versions of a sneaker. They'll have a reflective version, which usually goes for more money because full-grown adults like things to shine. And then they'll also have a regular version that obviously has no 3M or reflective material. These only came with a reflective pair. There was no non-reflective. So you do have the blue midsole with this like, I don't know, light blue. It looks like a milky, the combination, it just looks like it's running together. It doesn't look like they, I don't know if every pair is the same or if it's just however it came out on each pair. Very, very simple. Not a lot to go into as far as describing the sneaker. This does come with an infinity lace. Infinity lacing just means it's laced all the way up to the top, but it has this like lace lock type thing on the top where you would have to actually cut the sneaker, cut the shoelace off if you wanted to change it to a different color. Now the spare lace is the same exact color, so it's pretty much just, do you want to pull it tight or do you want to actually lace your sneakers by hand? It's up to you. So also you do have boost on the bottom, and then it's encased in this like yellowish, very light gum overlay on the outsole. I don't know if that's gonna focus just because of the lighting, but there's nothing special about it. Now they do have these huge perforated holes on the sides, on the medial and lateral side for breathability. You can see these big holes on each side. And they're not really that heavy, even though it's kind of a bulkier dad type sneaker with this huge heel counter back here. The sneaker itself is not that heavy just because of this prime knit up here is very, very lightweight. Doesn't add a lot to the structure, the weight of the sneaker or anything like that. So like I said, this sneakers came out 2 months ago almost. I'm sure you can find a ton of reviews. I appreciate any of you guys that are watching this way after the fact. So that just tells me anybody that clicks on this video at this point right now is just clicking on it because you want to know my opinion, and I appreciate that more than anything else, because if you don't get things early these days, your views ain't gonna be up there. It is what it is. So people that post things later just because you on your own time, appreciate the people that watch those videos, man. I'm talking to my content creators, and I do appreciate the people that choose to watch this later, well after release date. Now 2 or 3 years and down the road, I might just be one of the people are going back to watch, just because. But anyway, I'm not going to talk your head off. Maybe I'll do it on foot. Maybe I will do it on foot. And it may not even just be for you guys. I need to know what this looks like on foot as well, because I bought it because I need to know if I really want to keep this or not. I like it in hand, but do I like it on my feet? So this will be an on foot for you and for me. Like I said, man, if you're new around here, you're enjoying the content, the big button down below is for you. OVE!